Hey, we're up to week 8 of AMT150, and you're surprised to see me. Gary teaches the first half of this. If you notice, there's 2 instructors listed on this course. Gary teaches the first half, I teach the second half. And we are now to the second half, and it is fuels. We're starting fuel systems. So for about the next, 7 weeks, I'm going to be taking you through all the different parts of the fuel systems, chapter 14, I think it is, in the FAA H8083 book. So what are we going to do this week? Well, this week you have some reading, and it's the beginning of the chapter. It's going to talk about the different types of fuel, avgas, jet fuel, and then it talks about additives, and there's a whole bunch of additives that we have to have for various reasons in these fuels. These fuels, we have some problems with aircraft engines, whether they're turbine engines or whether they're reciprocating engines. And these problems can be things like detonation, pre-ignition, and that's why we put some additives in there. Corrosion is another thing, and also we could have problems with freezing at altitude. So the book discusses all these really important things that you need to know as an aircraft mechanic. There's a short video which shows volatility, what volatility is all about. And there's a big difference between Jet A and avgas and volatility. Okay, so for assignments this week, okay, so you got the reading and the video, but there's a discussion board. All these assignments are due in 1 week. So that means when we come back, I think it's July 14th, I think, or 15th is when it's due. Pay attention to your due date. So you got a week to get this stuff done. There's a discussion board for you to do. You'll type your answer into the discussion board before you can see everybody else's. All right, well, sorry, but it makes it easier so you're not, sometimes if you read other people's stuff first, you get kind of a mental block. I know I do. Okay, so there's a discussion board, then there's a quiz, and the quiz is 5 questions. They're ASA questions. It's relevant to our section right now. It's an easy way to do it, and guess what? It'll help out for the questions you're going to have on the final exam for me. So that's what you got to do this week, is you got items to turn in. You're going to be a discussion board and a quiz. Other than that, have a good week. There's no lecture this week. No lecture for AMT150 Systems. And we will have some lectures in the future, but this week you're off on that. Have a good week. We'll see you later.